The exciting thing about this industry is that only about 1% of renewable energy, such as solar, is powering the grid right now. And we're talking about the entire United States. You know, there are other countries that are already in the 20 and 30% range, up to the 50% range, but we still have a long way to go. Technology is always exploding, it's always getting better. Panels are getting more efficient. For the next 20 years, if we're sitting there installing every single day, we're gonna get about 20 to 25% of homes being powered by solar energy. That's only 1 out of 4 to 5 homes.
This industry is a standalone. As the government subsidy begins to phase out, solar experts are suggesting that the solar industry is still going to continue to grow exponentially for several reasons. As we educate the consumers at the local level, it's something that really makes sense already. A lot of communities are getting involved with solar. They're offering incentives, as well as utility companies. They're offering rebates as well.
You know, I wholeheartedly believe that every business has to serve their community that they work in. It's a very important obligation that they have for their employees, for the people they work with. But this is something that I truly believe.